Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and use Tailscale. So Tailscale is going to be a secured VPN that will help you to get more security and privacy into your devices that you're going to connect with. So basically, it is going to be available for the Windows or desktop form and also for the mobile phone. So basically, how we can get to this platform or the Tailscale. You're going to type in on Google tailscale.com, then you're going to get this platform. If you want to get started within this specific VPN, you're going to click on Get Started. And also, you're going to set up the useness or the usefulness of this specific app into your life. So you're going to select either a business use or a personal use. In most cases, you're going to use it as personal use. If you're going to be an individual who are going to or who is going to be very concerned about the privacy of the networks and want to protect the family data and etc. So you're going to select here the personal use. Now you're going to add the first device, for example. You can see that we can use it on Linux or you can use it on Windows, Mac OS, Synology, as you can see, Android and iPhones. So I'm going to use it for Windows. I'm going to click on download for Windows. Then you're going to